Hey guys, it's Phil DG here. I'm going to walk you through the new PSA submission process that we've implemented at Kollecter. Alright, stage one is that you don't have to book an appointment. So the new system is that you drop it off at one of our Kollecter stores. For now it's just going to be Bayswater, but in the future you can drop it off at any other of our stores. So once you are ready, you need to pick your cards that you want to submit. So we don't do this. You can't come in the store and then be like, which ones should I submit? You have to pick which cards first. So once you picked your cards, they need to be in brand new or very, very clean grading holders and penny sleeves. So just like this, no tag sleeves and no off brands. It has to be palms off. All right, so you've got your cards ready. The next step is to visit our website, so kollecter.com.au, go to graded cards, grading service, and then grading service again. This will take you to our submission area, and as you scroll down, it's going to take you down to a button which will be submit your cards. So no longer book now, it's going to be submit now. So now you've pressed submit now, it's going to take you to a page which explains what you need to do. So this is going to cover off having clean semi-rigid sleeves, packing it correctly, having a box ready, and printing your label. But first, just read through this, and then once you are happy with reading that, then you go begin my submission. This will take you to a fill out form. So for example, I'm going to be doing 2 cards. You're going to be putting in your name. So we're going to do fill test. We're just going to do a random phone number, and I'm going to click on email. Make sure the email is correct because this is where you'll get notifications. All right, so when you want to fill it out, you have to have your card name. So we're going to go with Persian. Doesn't matter if you do it and there's a few errors. The number of the card, and for this one, it's Shrouded Fable, which at the bottom is SFA. Now, it's going to ask you for a price. So Kollecter app is what we use, and it has to be in the USD. So when you go to the profile, you go USD there, and you can search up for modern cards. It's quite easy. You're going to search up the number 078, and this one already has Persian up there, but you would put 064, and we have 70. So you make sure at the top it's USD. So then we will put in 70. The scans, if you've got multiple cards, you're adding the same thing. So if I was going to do the Bulbasaur, scans I do, additional cards up to 20. Terms and conditions, tick and flick. So reading through this, being mindful the main one is PSA upcharges. So if your card finishes and PSA deem it to be more expensive than the tier it was in, they will charge us, and then you have to pay it when you pick up. Next step is going to be going through getting everything ready for the label and the boxing. So make sure it is the same name, and then we are doing that same email. So generate my label. Before you print, it's going to prompt you to do a few things. So this is covering off how many cards, what they need to be in regarding the packaging. So once you go through this, you have to tick and flick. Now you have to be mindful that if you don't provide us with clean semi-rigids or sleeves and they're all dirty and they've got to be put into new ones, there's going to be fees. And also if you submit cards and not on the form properly, that there's going to be a fee for the whole package as well. It's explained in this bit here. And then again, it's talking about the box and how it's got to be sealed. So once you've done that and your cards are done and on the form, they have to be put in a box that's no bigger than an AusPost small box. So this is the key thing. We don't want people bringing in all sorts of boxes. You will get rejected if you come to the store with a box that is bigger. So this will hold 20, it can be smaller as well. So secure them in there, wrap them up, put them in a box this size or smaller. This is a small box for Australia Post. All right, so once you've done that and you've sealed it up, so make sure that you've taped it up, that you can't be opened, because once you come to the store, you can't open it. It's ready to go. All you have to do now is print this label. So this label will print out like this. You can have it in an A4, but it's got to be stuck on the box. It's got to be taped down. This is unique to your submission. seal it up on both sides, and then you bring it into the store. So once you've done this submission, it's going to be on our system and it's going to be ready to be accepted at Bayswater store. So in the future, you can go to other stores. So once you're done, you come into the store, it looks like this. Your staff member is going to be ready. They're going to then get it. They're going to then scan the QR code and it's then going to lodge at the store that you drop it off. So for now, Bayswater. You'll get an email saying it's at Bayswater. The next step is that it will then get securely stored, and then I will take control of it, and then you've got another email saying that it's been intaked at HQ, which will be here. The next step after that is that I will open it on video, and then I will do make sure everything's correct by the form, and then I will fill out the form with the scans. You'll get another email with the scans. The next step after that is that I will then put them in a spreadsheet and get them ready to send to PSA. So the main thing is that with our new system is that everything has to be ready when you bring it to the store. You will get rejected if you bring it and it's not taped up. Your cards are just open up here. You're asking for advice about the cards inside. Everything's got to be ready to go. Everything's got to be taped. That's got to be put on top. Your cards are inside, and then you just hand it over. So please be aware that if you come to the store and it's not ready, it's not taped, you will be rejected. All right, guys, so that's about it. If you want tips and hints about PSA or about your cards, you can come see me at Bayswater Kollecter. See you soon.